So guys, welcome again to my channel. And by the way guys, in the last video I shared with you a site that is called Clickworker over here, and I promised that I was going to show you how to set up a payment method. Okay, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Clickworker payment method, and it's so simple. So follow along as I demonstrate to you how to do it. So first of all, this is my account on Clickworker that I created last time in the last video. Okay, so what you're going to do, you'll just come over here and press this profile of yours over here. And then once you are in, you can see everything about your profile, your ID, your username, your display name, okay, if you have set one. So what you're going to do next, you come over here. You can see the payout is disabled for now because I haven't set it up, okay? So I am supposed to complete my payment information. So how will I do it? I'll click over here, add now. And now before I even click over here, add now in the top, here where it says you haven't added any payment method, I'll just come over here, okay? About tax details. You are supposed to fill your tax information so as to be able to receive a payment to your account, okay? And that is mandatory. So it's so simple. You are going to click over here, add now in the bottom, and then you're going to confirm your name. So they are telling you to make sure your name matches your official ID exactly. So the official ID that you usually use, make sure your name matches that, okay? If it doesn't, you come and click over here, edit, okay? And you make sure it matches your official ID. So after that, if your name is correct, you click over here, name is correct. And then now you can see your name has been listed over here, your date of birth, and also your address, okay? After that, you come over here, you read over here, and then you click this button over here, okay? And once you click, you can see it has opened this tax ID part. So normally countries are different, okay? Like here in Kenya, the body or the organization that collects tax is called Kenya Revenue Authority. So the issue, if you have registered, if you have reached that level of paying tax, they are going to give you a tax pin, okay? So I'm going to take that tax ID and I'm going to paste it over here, okay? If you come from a country like Nigeria, we have the Nigeria Revenue Services. If I'm not wrong, by there I stand to be corrected. If they have given you a pin, that is the pin that you're going to add it over here. It's literally you're paying tax, okay? In India, I think the body that collects tax is called Income Tax Department, if I'm not wrong, okay? So you go and confirm and check how you pay tax, the pin or ID, you come and add it over here. And then once you're done, you click save. Okay, guys, it's that simple. Then I come over here. Now, after doing that, this part we have already completed, this one of tax details, okay? So you come over here at the top, you click over here, add now. Let me just show you this one, okay? You click add now. Now, as you can see, there are 3 payment methods that have been listed, okay? The first one is PayPal. It is so popular, you know it. The second one is a Clickworker e-wallet. They also have a wallet where they can send you a payment and then you can withdraw to your bank, okay? And we also have the Airtm wallet, okay? It's also another popular platform that can help you to transact, okay? Or receive payment, okay, guys? So, to start with PayPal, it's so simple, okay? If you have a PayPal account, the email that you have used to create your PayPal account, you'll just click over here. You click over here, and then you come and paste that email over here and also here, and then you click add. Payments are going to be sent directly to that email on your PayPal, okay? So you will see money reflecting over there. Once, I think if you withdraw, I don't know if they send directly or you will have to withdraw, but payments are going to be sent to that email, okay, guys? I come again. I won't tackle this one first. Let me tackle this one, Airtm. So for Airtm, the same thing as PayPal, okay? Once you create an Airtm account, you are going to use that email that you have used in creating that account. You come and paste it over here, and then you add. Okay, guys? It's so simple. Just a moment, I return again. And then if you can see these ones, the PayPal and Airtm, you can see the payout frequency is 7 days, okay? And the payout threshold, we are supposed to reach 10 euros for you to be able to withdraw, okay? So for PayPal, the fees are a bit high. I'm not saying they are so high, but you can see the payout fees are 2% of what you have, okay? So what you will have earned, you're going to pay 2% of that, if I'm not wrong, okay? And for Airtm, you're going to pay 1%, okay? Now we have this Clickworker e-wallet. you are not, the fees are not, have not been indicated over here. Okay, I think the only fee will pay is in the process of creating that account. So it's so simple. Creating this Clickworker e-wallet is so simple. So let me just open over here. This wallet is going to help you to receive funds. They are going to send funds to that wallet, and then you are going to withdraw it to your bank. Okay, like your bank. And if you get a challenge, you don't understand how it works, you'll just click over here. You see over here, I'll just click over here, and then it offers a little explanation of how you can navigate that part. Let me show you. So you can see these are the steps that they have given. Okay, so the email that you have used in your Clickworker, I think the same email that you're going to use in this e-wallet while you are setting it up. And you're not going to set it up directly. Let me just show you. Go again. You see, you have to fill these details. Okay, so just fill the ones which have a star. Okay, because those are mandatory. The ones that don't have a star, like this one of state and passport, there's no need. But if you have, you can fill it. Okay, so you come and put your email over here, and your email, confirm your email again, your first name, your second name, your address, okay, your city. You can write your state, your postal code, your country. Okay, your confirm your date of birth is correct, and then they are going to email you with the next steps. Okay, they are going to send you an email of how to complete the other steps of opening your account. Okay, so this one is a bit, it does have a process. Okay, so if you think this one is hard on your side, I have shown you there are other two. There's PayPal and there's Airtm. So you can try any of the two if this one is challenging on your side. Okay, so it's that simple. So I come again over here, click done. Now also there's some additional bonus that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so you see in this Clickworker, jobs usually come according to the skills that you have set. Okay, so while you are filling your profile, make sure that you fill your profile correctly. Okay, and use the skills that usually attract more jobs. Like right now, you can understand that we are in the AI era. Okay, so some of the jobs that are going to be offered are like video recording, like data labeling. You see those things, those kinds of things. Okay, you can ask ChatGPT of the recent skills that are in high demand right now. Okay, in Clickworker. Okay, it can list you, it can give you suggestions. Okay, and once you have them, you come over here. First of all, you click over here, you write your interest. Okay, so if you have interest in sports, tourism, you come and select your interest. Okay, because your profile, by the way, is going to match you to the jobs that they have. Okay, you come over here and now you fill the skills. This one is very important. Okay, so make sure you add the skills that you are confident with, and you can, if the ones that you know. Don't fill a skill and then once you get a job, it then becomes difficult for you to do it. Okay, if you have work samples, you'll just click over here. You come and you write the text category, your headline of that work sample, and then the text sample. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, education level, you come over here. You can see they consider quite a range of education levels. Okay, if you are in middle school, high school, after high school, you can come and apply. Okay, even master's degree, doctorate, or PhD. Okay, so it doesn't limit people. Okay, because of education level. Employment type, if you are self-employed, if you are a freelancer, you come and indicate over there. You also come over here, you indicate your marital status. Okay, household members, these are the number of people in your house. Okay, if there are 3, you write 3. Okay, so you come over here, housing situation. So if you live in an apartment, you select. If you live with your parents, you also select. Okay, the number of children, you come and indicate the number of children in your house. Okay, they can be 3, 4, 5 plus. Okay, age of children, you come over here and select the range that is listed over here, the range that they fall within. Okay, also you come over here for means of transport. You say which means of transport do you use. Okay, you come over here, car, driver's license. If you have one, you can say yes. Okay, if you don't have, you say no. If you are a car owner, yes. If you are not, you say no. Okay, professional field, work field, if you are in any profession at the moment, or if you have studied for a certain profession. Okay, you come and check these categories over here. So if, for example, I'm from hospitality and consumer services, if I click over here, now you can see the specific fields. Okay, so you select the one that matches you. Okay, you select your profession over here. So let me just go back. So once you are done with that, you come over here. If you are active in social media, you have these social media accounts that are listed over here. You can add their your URLs over here, okay? You can see all of them: Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, Telegram, okay? Now you also come over here, you fill your demographic information, okay? Year of residence, like how many years have you stayed in your country, okay? You come and list it over here. Where you are staying currently, how many years have you stayed there, okay? Like for example, if I've gone to the US and I've stayed 2 years there, and I've created this account while in the US and I've stayed 2 years, I'll just write 1 to 2. So I just come again over here, you check your residential setting. So you can either be at the towns, that is the urban, close to the south towns, that is suburban, or rural, okay? In Kenya we call them ushagos, okay? Or you can be remote, okay? Anywhere, okay? Also country of birth, you come and select your countries. That's so simple, okay? And once you're done with filling this profile, there's one more thing, guys, that I want to show you, okay? Just a little secret over here. You click once you have added everything, you click over here, and then you come again over here. So once you have created your profile, you have done everything, you are going to see some jobs appearing, okay? So you come over here. Before ever doing anything, you come and pass through these things that have been listed over here, okay? So there's like tutorials, okay? You come and complete each one of them, okay? Like you can see this one is a tutorial how to do a categorization job. Let me just open it. This is just a tutorial. Don't worry about the pay, okay? Just train fast. Once you train fast, wait and see if they are going to give you the jobs, okay? The micro jobs, okay? So you come over here, you also do this tutorial over here, okay? You come also and do this tutorial of a survey job, okay? Tutorial of how to do a video creation, okay? First, complete these tutorials. You have set your profile, that is good. And guys, once you are done with doing those tutorials, I think you are good at that time, okay? Make sure your password and everything is okay. Also, guys, you can see that they also have these are the available jobs at the moment, but as you continue doing more jobs, they are going to list more for you, okay? So you can come and try doing these ones if you are able, okay? Also, you can see they have partner platforms, okay? So these partner platforms are like the same platform as Clickworker, but they do have jobs. So what do? They share some of the jobs with Clickworker, okay? So you can access those jobs from this Clickworker app. That's a good thing, okay? So that means you can get other jobs from other sites apart from this Clickworker. So it directs you to other sites where there are service jobs, okay? So you can try them, okay? Also, so you come over here, make sure you train yourself using this app, okay? You can see it has a lot of things over here, and once you have completed your profile, everything is good. I think they are going to match you to jobs, and once you get a job, do it to your level best. And at first, maybe the payment may not be good. Let me just put a disclaimer over there. The payment might not be good in all countries, because you understand, me opening an account like this one in Kenya is not the same as a person opening this account in US, okay? So you might find there is a difference in the payout, okay? So I usually say we try more and more sites. Don't limit yourself with microworkers alone, okay? If the pay feels so small to you, please try something else, okay? I'm just sharing this site for those who are looking for some few cents over here and there, some small passive income here and there. And I hope you have enjoyed my video, guys. So I'm going to share another video very soon. I hope you have enjoyed. And if you have any question, you can ask on the comment section. If you want me to tackle any other site, you can tell me. I'm going to do that, guys. The only favor that you can do to me is please to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Bye.